My name is Jonathan James and I am the lead producer for the animation studio Hollowpixel Studios in Cardiff. So my job is everything in the lead up to a series or a film actually taking place. Every intricate detail until the director takes over and they all whisk off in their excited little directions. That's down to me. I have worked on multiple award-winning shorts that have been shown all over the world, and I am working on a super secret project which I look forward to telling you about in the future. It's very difficult to say what a typical day looks like because it can be so varied. So a couple of days ago I was picking a script apart and building a pipeline for one of our upcoming animated films. The day before that, I was meeting with some very important people about the super secret project, and sometimes it's just a day of sending emails to people. So it's across the board, you don't know what's coming. My best bit of advice is don't think that you're too young to get started. You can start at absolutely any time. I started programming at the age of 7. I'm not expecting everybody to do that, and it may not be what you want to do, but whatever you want to do, have a go at it. There is nothing stopping you.